5 reasons no one is reading your blog. So you've decided to start a blog. Whether it's to spread a personal message, get readers to click on affiliate links, or make money from advertisers, blogging can be a rewarded digital sport. But if you're like many bloggers, you've come to the frustrating realization that no one is reading your posts, and here's why. 1. You're not writing about something people find helpful. There are already a million blog posts out there on different things to do in XYX place, so for example, if you're writing a travel blog, you have to get more niche with it and provide some value. For example, best places to find spicy food in Orlando is a much more specific post that carries some value for the readers who are putting that inquiry into Google. 2. You're not opening doors. A big part of funneling readers to your blog is about building a network of backlinks to your site on other people's blogs or websites. A good way to do this is just to network and do guest posts for people on their blogs, with the stipulation that you can put some links to your site on there. 3. You're not building relationships. You need to have a contact button form on your website and harvest some emails. Alternatively, by blogging consistently and alerting social media connections of your new posts, you can draw some steady streams of traffic to your site. The overall idea is to get recurring readers. Not only will they increase your readership with their own eyes, but over time, if they like your content, they'll share it with others. 4. Your site doesn't look good. If people hop onto your blog and find that it looks like the screen from PacMan, they probably will bounce off the page in less than a minute, unless of course, your blog post is dedicated to PacMan. Then that would be cool. Your website needs to look professional, and the architecture needs to be clean and well designed, for mobile users as well. 5. You think you are Shakespeare. Don't try to get too literal with your posting, unless of course you're catering to a highbrow audience. Use shorter sentences, small paragraphs, and lots of pictures to punctuate your words, otherwise people will find your blog too exhausting to read. While SEO experts scream the benefits of long-form posts, over 2,000 words, you still have to balance that out with reader experience, and most readers can't tolerate more than half that word count. Thank you for